Dear students, very important heading, Laplace transform of periodic functions. So with this heading, half of the unit over. Okay, Laplace transform of periodic functions. I do not know whether you have studied about periodic functions earlier. So when you see a function whose value is repeated at regular intervals is called periodic function. Example, see f of t equal to sin t. You know, when we show sine wave, it is sine curve or sine wave. See, look at this sine wave. Sine 0, 0. Sine 90, 1. Sine 180. Sine pi 0. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Sine 2 pi 0. Sine 3 pi by 2 1. Sine 2 pi 0. Sine 7 pi by 2, it is minus 1. Sine 4 pi, it is 0. And it goes on, the curve goes on. If you look at the curve, listen here, if you look at the curve, you can say from 0 to 2 pi, you observe 0 to 2 pi, observe 2 pi to 4 pi, the curve is similar, right? You can see the waves are similar from here to here, from here to here. So in certain intervals, you can see the wave is similar. 0 to 2 pi, 2 pi to 4 pi, 4 pi to 6 pi. Similarly, this side, 0 to minus 2 pi, right? Minus 2 pi to 0. You can see the waves are similar, right? And hence the function is called periodic function. Now you read this, you can understand. A function whose value is repeated at regular intervals is called periodic function. At regular intervals, 0 to 2 pi, right? 2 pi to 4 pi. At regular intervals. Or listen here, mathematically, how we say mathematically? A function f of t is said to be periodic function if it satisfies a condition f of t plus capital T is equal to f of t. F of t plus capital T equal to f of t for certain some values of capital T. For some values of capital T and for all values of small t, this relation is true. Okay. A function f of t is said to be periodic if it satisfies a relation f of t plus t is equal to f of t for certain values of capital T. Now let us go back. Listen here. F of t is sin t. When t takes 2 pi, capital T. When this capital T takes 2 pi, t plus 2 pi. This t will become t plus 2 pi. So sin of t plus 2 pi. What is sin of 360 plus theta? Sin theta, which is same as f of t. So f of t plus capital T equal to f of t. F of t plus 2 pi is equal to f of t. So capital T is 2 pi. When we come to 4 pi, f of t plus 4 pi. Sin of t plus 4 pi is sin t, which is same as f of t. So for some values of certain values of capital T, that is 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, etc. For certain values of capital T, this relation is true, right? F of t is same as f of t plus capital T. This relation is true for certain values of capital T. Hence, the function is said to be periodic function. This is mathematical definition. This is from graph you can understand. So, if you want to study about these waves, listen here, you just study about how the characteristics of waves in the interval 0 to 2 pi. 0 to pi, it is enough. You can generalize the characteristics, right? Because how it behaves in the interval 0 to 2 pi, the same behavior it will have in the interval 2 pi to 4 pi, 4 pi to 6 pi. So we need not study about the entire limit. If we study about this interval 0 to 2 pi, it is enough. Okay. So here, listen here. What is the period of the function? This 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, all are periods of the function. But the smallest value of capital T, which satisfies this relation, is called period of the function. So 2 pi is the period of the function. Okay. 2 pi is the period of the function. The smallest value of capital T for which this relation is true is called period of the function. See example, sin t, cos t, all are periodic functions. Both have period 2 pi. Okay. So sin of t plus 2 pi, 4 pi, etc. all will give sin t. But the smallest value which satisfies this condition is 2 pi. So period is 2 pi. Okay. So if you think why pi, we will not get pi. What is sin of 180 plus theta? You check. What is sin of 3 pi plus t? Check. Definitely answer will be different, okay? Sine of 180 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta in the third quadrant, where tan is positive. So for sine it comes negative, right? Answer changes. Okay. So what is periodic function? A function whose value is repeated at regular intervals is called periodic function. A function whose value is repeated at regular intervals is called periodic function. Mathematical definition it is, okay? Now we have to see problems, okay? There is a formula, okay? F of t be a periodic function. F of t be a periodic function with period capital T. Let f of t be a periodic function with period capital T. Then Laplace transform of periodic function is L of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus s into capital T, integral 0 to capital T, e power minus st f of t dt. This is same like Laplace, ordinary Laplace transform definition, but interval 0 to capital T. T is the period of the function. T is the period of the function, okay? L of f of t is equal to 1 by 1 minus e to the power 1 by 1 minus e to the power minus st, okay? Integral 0 to t e power minus st f of t dt. Okay. Find the Laplace transform of square wave given by the equation f of t is equal to this one, right? Function is given. So now you can understand why I have given these problems, right? These problems after this step. This problem. You should know the difference, right? Here also the function which has some functions in subintervals. Here also we have functions in subintervals. There we use ordinary definition formula. Here we use periodic function formula. The reason, with this you can see this one. If this is not here, then we have to do by ordinary Laplace transform definition. In case if this function, if we have f of t plus t equal to f of t, which shows the function is periodic function. Hence you have to find Laplace transform using this periodic function theorem. Okay, this is theorem. So that is the difference. That's why I have done after those problems this heading. Listen here, you need not draw this diagram. To give you explanation, I have drawn for 1 or 2 problems. Listen here, f of t plus t equal to f of t. T is the period. T is the period. So 0, t, 2t, 3t, etc. So 0, look at the curve 0 to t. To look at the curve, it is e, here minus e. F of t is e minus e. When 0 to t by 2, it is e. When t by 2 to t, it is minus e. Let us join by dotted lines. You can see 0 to t. 0 to t. And you can find the same kind of curve in t to 2t, 2t to 3t, etc. So to study about these waves, it is enough if you study about these waves in the interval 0 to t. You need not study about the entire interval, okay? It is enough. So this is periodic function. You need not draw this diagram, okay? Let us see. This is our formula to find periodic function. The period of the function, luckily here, in the formula it is t. Luckily here also period is t. So no change in the formula here, right? Period is t here. In case t plus 2 pi, t takes 2 pi the value. Here and here capital T takes 2 pi. Okay? Here luckily t. So it is c. We have to split the interval into 2, 0 to t by 2, t by 2 to t. Both function exists e minus e. Take e outside, just integrate, substitute limits, upper lower limit, simplify. You can stop here, okay? Listen here, you can stop here. You can stop here. And if you want, you can simplify more. I have done. If you do not know such simplification, you can stop here. You will get full marks, okay? So see here, I have done simplification. In order to make it as a minus b whole square formula, I have a square term, 2ab term in the previous step. In the previous step, I have a square term, 2ab term. This is a is 1, b is this term. I can rewrite this term as, listen here, I can rewrite e power minus st by 2 whole square. E power, so that I can make it as a minus b whole square. What is st by 2 whole square? When you bring 2 inside, 2 and 2 get cancelled, e power minus st. Okay, some little changes. See, here also I can write e power minus st by 2 whole square. In order to get simplified answer, it is not necessary, okay? Rarely they may ask you to prove the Laplace transform of periodic function is e by s into tan h of st by 4. In case you should know the simplification, that's why I have given. It is a minus b whole square formula. A square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b. It is a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see one of the term get cancelled. A minus b whole square. Here a minus b. So this is the term. There is a formula 1 minus e power minus bs by 1 plus e power minus bs is tan h of bs by 2. So our bs is st by 2. I have used this formula. I will get answer. Okay. If you do not know simplification, you leave it. I have done in all the problems this kind of simplification. Okay. So the same problem, same model problem. There I have done with e. Here I have given you 1. There I have done with capital T period. Here I have given you a. Don't change simply the t takes this 2a and e takes 1. Hence answer is this one. Please don't write, okay, like that. You do this problem similar manner, in a similar manner how I have done. Okay. So this is next problem which is similar problem. That's why homework. Next, find the Laplace transform of sawtooth wave function. The name of the function is sawtooth wave. Function is f of t equal to kt 0 to 1. The periodic function problem whose period is 1. Capital T takes 1 the value. Period is 1. Periodic function problem. Okay. You can see this diagram is not necessary. Okay. This is not necessary. I draw dotted lines. So diagram is not necessary to show you how it is similar in the interval 0 to 1. In the interval 0 to 1, a straight line. In the interval 1 to 2, a straight line. 2 to 3, a line. Which is similar, right? To study about the characteristics of all these, it is enough to study about the characteristics of the wave in the interval 0 to 1. Okay? Let us take periodic function. It is periodic function problem. Because at regular intervals, the function is repeated. The value of the function is repeated. This is our period is 1. Capital T is the period, which is 1. 0 to 1. Throughout the interval 0 to 1, function is kt. Take a outside, use Bernoulli formula. Okay. I think I need not explain because you know. Just to substitute limits for t. And this problem, listen here, we cannot do it like last problem. We cannot express it as a minus b whole square, etc. Let us see next problem. L of f of t, very important problem. Okay. So it is periodic function problem. Periodic function problem. So we should use this formula. In case if it is not there, we should use ordinary formula. Okay. Laplace transform of periodic function. Where capital T is 2b. Capital T is 2b. Okay. Okay. Everywhere, wherever capital T, write 2b. Split the integral into 2. Substitute the functions. Use Bernoulli formula. Substitute upper lower limit. Simplify. You can stop here. Those who know, you can proceed. Okay. It is a square minus 2ab. I can write it as b square form. Take this 2. b square. What is e power minus bs whole square? E power minus 2bs. A square 2ab. What is e power minus bs whole square? E power minus bs into e power minus bs is e power minus bs whole square. Which is e power minus 2bs, right? Right here. See? E power minus bs into e power minus bs is e power minus 2bs. That is e power minus bs the whole square is e power minus 2bs. Okay. So here it is whole square. The denominator can also be written as e power minus bs the whole square. Which is a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. Right. Simplify a term, one of the term get cancelled. And we can use formula. 1 minus e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus x is tan h of x by 2 formula, which completes. Okay. And you can do this problem as homework. I have done with 2t and 2b minus t. And I have given you t 2 pi minus t. What will you do? You should not do like substitute b is equal to t in the last problem. We will meet answer, right? Please don't write like that. You try like what I have done this problem. Okay. So you should not do like that, then you will not get marks. Okay. Next it is the same model problem. In place of b I have given 1. What I have done, the same problem, but in the place of b I have given 1. Don't try replace simply b by 1, we get this answer. Please kindly note. Next, see, find the Laplace transform of half sine wave rectifier function. Listen here, the name of the function is given. It is sin t in the interval 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. The period of the function is 2 pi, okay? Period of the function is 2 pi. So, wherever t we write 2 pi. We have to split the integral into 2. And luckily this integral becomes 0 because f of t is 0. Here sin t. I have already given you formula. You go through formula right here. Just substitute limit 0 to pi, right? Pi upper limit pi. It is s pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1. Cos pi minus 1, here minus 1, so plus 1. Lower limit e power 0, 1. 1 by s square plus 1. And sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1. It is minus 1, right? And you see, just to simplify, listen here. I can write it as 1 minus e power minus the whole square. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. A term get cancelled. This is the answer. Okay. Similar problem is given to us homework. In place of pi, I have given pi by omega. In place of 2 pi, I have given 2 pi by omega. Okay. So you try this problem, which completes this heading and half unit is over. Okay.